Welcome to ProfitScribe, your first AI copywriter that's going to completely change how you create your content. So let's dive right in. You can see on the left side we already have a bunch of prompts that we already inputted. And if we look through them, we can see the AI giving large or just short answers to our questions, and we can just ask it something right now. So you can ask ProfitScribe's AI anything from creating content to creating jokes to asking coding questions to just informing yourself. For example, we asked it what is the law of demand, what is consumer objective. It knows all of this information and you can use it to create content. Let's try something else. Let's ask it to write an article. And you can see that it instantly spits out a high quality article that explains everything about this topic in a completely unique manner. And we have a limit of 1,000 words. We can raise that limit if we want a bigger article, or we can lower it if we want something shorter and more concise. So you can play around with ProfitScribe's AI depending on what you need. And it's great. It's telling us about tutor.com, giving us all of this important information right here that we can use for generating content and optimizing our website's traffic. Let's ask it something simple. So it wrote this article for us. Now I wonder, are these articles SEO friendly? There we go. So all articles generated by ProfitScribe's AI are 100% SEO friendly. They use the best modern practices possible. So anything generated through ProfitScribe will bring you the best results for your website or for your customer's website. And with integrated support and in-depth training, including prompts that you can use with ProfitScribe to get the best results, getting ProfitScribe is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.